Everything's cuter with Pikachu. I got these adorable little soup toppers. Okay.
Guys, you think they're gonna be noodles in it already?
Do you think your noodle soup will look way cuter with Pikachu on top?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Out of all the ramens I ever got, my daughter's favorite ramen of all time is the top ramen chicken flavor. So her ramen's done. Now I'm just going to add the seasoning pack. And then I'll stir it up. That's how it looks inside. I can see there's corn and seaweed, and there's the Pikachus. So I'll just sprinkle a bit out here, but you don't get too many. So I'm going to just adjust them carefully. I'm trying to dunk the corn and everything right in the broth. This way it will soften up. I like how the seaweed softened up right away. My daughter doesn't like seaweed or corn, so I hope she doesn't mind that. I thought they were just the Pikachus. So it's kind of cute. You get a little variety here. There's all the little Pikachus. Do you want to try Pikachu by itself? It's good? Okay, well, guess what? Your soup is done. Here you go.
Why do your face like you?
Pikachu looks funny?
And like all stretched out.
I don't know. Maybe it's changing because it's in water and it's stretching out.
Oh.
I see the Pikachu.
What happened? What happened on the pig? There's two pigs.
Yep.
Try it.
Okay, is it good? Do a thumbs up if you like it. It's good? She likes it. Do you want me to always buy you the Pikachus now?
No. Wait, I wanted to ride it. Tried it.
Okay. Here's my daughter. Just gonna try the Pikachu.
It just tastes like chips.
It tastes like a little potato chip. Does it make your ramen look more cool?
I guess so.
And they're playing Pokemon right now. That's how much they love Pokemon. And for my ramen, I got this cool mix here. It's just an instant mix. You can toss it a little handful or like a few pinches into the boiling water while you're making your ramen. And it will give you seaweed and tofu and egg and all kinds of good stuff in there. And this is my favorite ramen right now. It's the Korean noodles with a soup base gomtang. I think that's how you say it. But you can see how the broth is white and it has a lot of flavor. It's very good. So here's what I like to do. I just toss it in there. And everything will get nice and soft. And see how fluffy the seaweed and everything is getting? It's perfect. It's just so fast. And you don't have to worry about chopping up a bunch of stuff. It's just right there. It's so convenient. So there's my ramen. And then I'm going to add in my soup broth. It's very good. This one's so flavorful. I really recommend this one. It has it has like a white peppery smell to it, but it tastes so good. And this ramen's going to be very filling because now I got extra toppings inside. And now I'm going to give this a try. You can see I have a little bit of seaweed and a little bit of tofu in there. It's really good. Usually I put the dried seaweed strips, but this seaweed's a little bit thicker and more chewy. Thanks for watching.